I'm Andrew Guppy from Cotswold Walks, and I'm here to answer some of the most frequently asked questions from clients that are considering visiting the Cotswolds, and what makes walking one of the best ways to experience it.
Why should people visit the Cotswolds?
People that have heard of the Cotswolds but perhaps never visited, it does conjure up an image of honey-coloured stone cottages, iconic pubs, sheep on English open grassland landscapes, country gardens. We have 790 square miles of outstanding natural beauty ready to be explored, and there's no better way than doing that on foot. There is something for everyone. History, landscape, nature, arts and crafts, and walking to suit all abilities.
What makes walking the best way to experience the area?
There's an expression called slow travel, and it epitomizes walking through the open countryside, being able to explore the thousands of miles of footpaths that we have in the English countryside, and walking with a sense of freedom and mindfulness to help us engage with ourselves and others around us. Walking across footpaths and offering the chance to walk through open meadows, farmers' fields, ancient woodlands, and along streams and rivers.
Why should people choose Cotswold Walks?
We're a local family-run company specialising in the Cotswolds. We've been running tours since 1993, and most of our clients will come to us and ask us to customise a tour in some way or another, which we're more than happy to do. Our level of engagement, personal service, and listening to clients' needs is at the forefront of everything we do. We have first-hand knowledge, having walked the routes, inspected the accommodations, and even sampled the food, which is one of the perks of the job. We realise that your time is precious, and we want you to maximise your enjoyment, as effortless as it is memorable. We want to be able to personalise the trip for all our clients. We want to organise a trip that we'd like to run ourselves, go on and experience ourselves. We want people to be able to engage with the locals and feel that their time here has been really rewarding, and that they'll be memorable and share it with their friends. Most of our clients are referrals and word-of-mouth recommendations, so we hope we're getting something right.
What kind of experience do you aim to give guests?
To me, the Cotswolds is not only a place where we live and work, it's a place where you immerse yourself. To live here is to be part of the Cotswolds. Having been a part of it for the last 20-odd years, it gives you a real sense of how lucky we are to engage with the people around us, the natural landscape. I wouldn't want to be working anywhere else. We have to pinch ourselves sometimes to appreciate just how lucky we are to be here, to have this as a way of life. I want people to be able to experience the open landscape, the freedom of walking across open meadows, country fields, to engage with people, experience the food, switch off from everything else that's going on around them. We're so lucky with the concentrated history, the arts and crafts, the unique experiences that exist in the Cotswolds that makes it such a special place to live and work. If you'd like to find out more, please contact us through the Cotswold Walks website or call us directly, and we'd be happy to plan and customise a trip to suit your needs.